Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make Domino's style Zingy Parcel but with flavoured paneer. Hope you will enjoy it. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and family.
So let's start. Add 1 cup of maida in a medium bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar. One-fourth teaspoon of salt. One teaspoon of chopped garlic. Two tablespoons of olive oil. And half a cup of lukewarm water. Mix it well and knead it into soft dough. Now coat the dough with olive oil. Cover it with muslin cloth and set aside for 1 hour. Now for preparing the stuffing, add half a teaspoon of Garam Masala, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Kasoori Methi. I have also added 2 teaspoons of chopped onion chives from my kitchen garden. Now add 1 tablespoon of butter in a hot pan on low flame. Add 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Combine all the spices and herbs well and cook for a few seconds on low heat. Now add 200 gram of flavoured paneer. If you want to know how to make flavoured paneer, please click on the above link. I have also added the link of my video in the description box. After 1 hour, dough becomes doubled in size. Knead it lightly to make it smooth. You may use little bit of dusting if required. Make 2 to 4 equal sized portions from it. Now roll it slightly to make thick roti from the dough. Fold the sides to make a triangle. Now apply about 2 teaspoons of homemade Harissa Dip or sauce in the middle of the triangle, leaving the corners. I will be sharing the recipe of making Harissa Dip in my next video. Place 1 tablespoon of paneer stuffing on it. and sprinkle some grated cheese over it. water on the three corners of the triangle. Now stick three corners together. Gently lift the zingy parcel and place it on the greased baking tray. Prepare all parcels similarly. Brush them with butter or milk. And sprinkle some oregano on the top for garnishing. Now preheat the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And bake the parcel for 20 minutes at same temperature. Finally, brush it with butter, and now the zingy parcel is ready to serve. Hope you have enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.